Class 139 or class 9 of mechatronics. See, in a closed loop control system or in open loop, whatever it is, there are some terms, mainly the parameter and gain. See, this is the output variable, speed. In the controller, there will be some parameters. Say, for example, in a motor, you have flux, voltage, etc. These are the parameters on which the controller is working. And gain. So, gain means the fastness by which the parameter values are varied. So, if you want to control any output variable, we will have the parameters. For example, to control the speed of a motor, the parameters are armature voltage and field current in a DC motor. You may use both the parameters or you may use only one parameter. And the gain, so both are used. In the sense, both there are two things. One is the gain, another is parameter. Sometimes you may use only one parameter and then you will have gain. Sometimes you may use both the parameters. In some control systems, the gain and parameters are fixed in some closed loop control systems. What happens is the output, when tries to change, may be slower. Suppose say you keep gain very slow, very low. What happens is in an air conditioner, if the output changes, then output changes than the desired value, then control action will be slower if gain is less. If gain is more, the control action will be faster. But if gain is large, then the control action will be too fast, which is also not permitted in some cases. So a proper value of gain is put here. If gain and parameters are adjustable, then such a control system is called as adaptive control system. Adaptive control system, that is a modern control system. Gain or parameters are adjusted continuously. This class is not important for the examination. Just to have an idea of adaptive control system, this introduction is given.